Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a Ross haul, very small. I went over there because I was off today and it's my birthday, and I just wanted to see what I could grab. And it wasn't much of anything. It's normally, if you watch any of my Ross hauls, they're almost exactly the same. So I went and picked up a couple of items and decided to show you guys what I got. So I'm gonna start with the smaller bags to the biggest. How are you guys doing? How's everything coming along in the month of March? Hope everything is going well. I'm doing quite well. A lot of my skillets, the old ones, stainless steel, old 10, 15 years old, now that when we are doing the omelets, they're getting, it's hard to flip the omelets now. They're glued to the bottom parts now. So I went and got myself a Cuisinart classic non-stick, best heating conductor, non-sticking interior, versatile performance, comfortable hand, dishwash safe, lifetime warranty, a 10-inch skillet. So I got this so that I could continue on making my safe omelets that's not getting burnt on the bottom or I'm unable to get it to flip over. So that's one. I also, for spring, because spring is coming up, Easter's coming up, also got myself some cups. I got the Hello Summer sets of 4 outdoor beverage glasses. And they come in these beautiful colors. I love them. They come in green, blue, orange, and red. And they're plastic. And this was for $6.99. The skillet. The skillet was $8.99. Also went and got myself a strapless bra for a top that I bought that requires you not to have straps on. So I had went and bought this. This is a pretty lace strapless, 36C. This is from Marilyn Monroe. That's what it says, yep. Super soft strapless convertible. And I got it for $5.99. I also got curtains, the Style Sanctuary Inspired Living. It's a set of 2 decorative window panels. This will be in my room. The kids destroyed the other one, so I'm gonna go ahead and hang this up. It's gray and white. It's very nice, and it has the big rings that I really love. Ooh. Nice catch. And my final item, you guys know I buy pillows all the time. It's the Tommy Hilfiger 2-pack bedding pillows. This is the 200 thread count, 100% cotton. The one that's my go-to at all times. And this was $16.99. I was able to catch this on a good deal. It was a good find. So this was $16.99. And that is my small Ross haul. Everything came up to $54.52. And that is it, you guys. That was my tiny little haul from Ross. I hope you guys are having a fantastic, I know I am not clear, but it's okay. I know you guys, hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day, and I hope you guys have a great one. Talk to you guys very soon. Bye.